welcome back to the channel. Passionate here, and welcome to Easter Family Values. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I reorganize my small pantry. It's been a bit of a challenge since we've gotten here because my pantry was actually bigger than this in our other home, and for us to store our non-perishable items it's just been challenging, to say the least. So I'm going to show you the before, and hopefully afterwards will be a better working type of system for me, and it won't be such a challenge trying to find the things that I need right away. So fingers crossed, let's get clean. OMG, so look at this mess, guys. Clearly, I am not maximizing my space and things are just disorganized. So I'm gonna start out by clearing everything out of the pantry so I can have a clean canvas to work with. Alright, now that everything is cleared out, I want to try and rid of all those bulky boxes that is taking up a lot of space. I purchased 3 of these bins from the Dollar Tree to assist me with the organizing. They come in a variety of colors and sizes so you can match your needs accordingly. So this bin that I'm using right now, I'm going to go ahead and put that at the very top because I'm going to place items in here that I rarely reach for. On the second row, I'm going to add all my canisters for those frequently used items, as well as a few other items that I use for cooking purposes. You may have to play around like I did to figure out the best fit and aesthetic for your items. My video is not complete without my special guest, but this row I'm using for snack items such as chips, also for items that are used for quick meals. So of course, Boss Baby has to have a row in the pantry as well. So I use another one of those bins to store her quick breakfast meals and those grab and go snacks. Also, I use this row for a few overflow items. So the bottom row I use for those bulky items that can only be stored in their packaged containers, such as those noodles that our teenager loves. And I also use that final bin to store my onions and potatoes. Also, on this bottom row, I was able to put all of my KitchenAid things, such as like aluminum foil and storage bags. You guys, something I learned while organizing this pantry: less is more. I had all 8 of these containers in here prior, and they too were taking up too much space. So these are the final results of me basically decluttering and organizing this pantry. I've had it like this for a few days, and I must admit this is a smoother system for me. And most importantly, I won't make the mistake of going out to the store and duplicating items due to me not being able to spot them right away in this space. Come on ladies, we've all been there. But thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified each and every time we upload. Thanks so much. Bye guys.